Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now I'm going to discuss about prediction of myocardial infraction based on non-ECG sleep data combined domain knowledge. First, I'm going to discuss about overview of the project. Cardiovascular disease, especially heart attacks, are one of the leading causes of death worldwide. While traditional methods rely on ECG reading, recent research shows that non-ECG factors like sleep patterns, stress, and lifestyle can also help predict heart risk. In this project, we build a machine learning system that uses sleep and health data to predict the risk of myocardial infarction. We used features like sleep duration, sleep quality, physical activity, and vital signs. Our system uses two models, or random forest and CNN model. A random forest for structured data and a 1D convolutional neural network for detecting patterns in time based. Both models were evaluated and the CNN performed silently better in complex situations. This is our abstract of our project. This is our workflow diagram. First, we need to collect the data set from Kaggle and carry out to the pre-processing step, handling the missing values and the label encoding, and carry out to the data splitting. The whole data set split, train and test, and carry out to the classification model. I used two models, or random forest and a convolutional neural network, and carry out to the performance metrics, calculate or precision, recall, F1 score, sensitivity, specificity, and finally prediction, sleep disorder or not. Now see our demo of our project. This is the register page of the project. The user needs to enter the username, email ID, password, confirm password. All fields are required and checked before submission. After successfully registered, the data is stored in the database. The user already visited the page. Directly going to the login page, the user must enter the username, password. This helps keep the system secure and prevents unauthorized access, and click login. After login, the user comes to this page. Next, I click flow. First, we need to collect the data set. Click choose file. Select our data set. Open and upload file. The first few rows of the data are displayed. And the next step is pre-processing, handling the missing values and the label encoding. And the next step is data splitting. The whole data set split, train and test. Click start pre-processing. It checks for any missing values and if found, fills them with zeros to handle the data gaps, and the label encodings. This converts the text labels into numeric form, so machine learning algorithm can process them. The encoded data is printed to confirm the changes. The data set is split into training and testing sets for model development and evaluation. And the next step is classification models are used, random forest and a convolutional neural network models, and calculate the performance metrics or precision, recall, F1 score, sensitivity, and specificity. Click run models and show result. A random forest models is created and trained on the training data. The predictions are made on the test data. Various performance metrics are accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score are calculated and printed to the evaluated the model. The CNN is trained for 30 approaches and then evaluated on the test data with similar metrics. The CNN are also printed. This is the accuracy comparison graph of random forest and the CNN comparison, and click start to over and redirect to the register page. And finally, prediction. Click predict. This is our attribute of our project. The user enter the person ID, enter the gender, and enter the age, and enter the occupation, and enter the sleep duration, and enter the quality of sleep, and enter the physical activity level, and enter the stress level, and enter the BMI category, and enter the blood pressure, and enter the heart rate, and enter the daily steps. Click choose model, and finally click predict. It shows the prediction, and click log out. It redirect to the register page.